Welcome to another episode of BODYCAM Global Crimes.
There's cameras everywhere in that place. They're not even hidden. They were right there in your face, those cameras.
Yes, sir.
This girl committed one of the silliest crimes ever while on vacation. While staying at a hotel, she stole $900 right out of a guest's luggage, totally unaware that her actions would be caught on camera.
We did see the unknown black female on video taking your purse at 1:20 a.m.
Yeah.
She left and then she returned it at 1:34 a.m. on the 20th of this month. You mentioned that you were missing $900 when it was returned, somewhere in between that time. Did you want to prosecute this female if you get your money back?
The female victim asked her husband in Spanish if they should not press charges as long as the suspect gives back the money.
Okay, so if you receive the $900, no charges. If you do not receive that, you want to press charges?
Yes.
Okay.
Officers apprehended the female suspect the next day as she was returning to her hotel room.
Where are you from?
I'm from Georgia. I've been staying in Airbnb because I didn't have a place to stay. I'm sorry, I wasn't coming up against you. I'm sorry. I'm just scared about my dog and I don't have a place to go.
I'll open the windows for you. Just have a...
So the officer immediately called the victims back to the scene to discuss how they wanted to proceed with this situation.
You got the purse back though, correct?
Yes,
The
I
only
have
thing
my
you're
purse.
missing is the money.
The money.
The money. Only the money. Yes.
And you said are you leaving here Monday?
Monday.
Monday
Yes,
night or in the morning?
I mean, we
In
have
the
the checkout at
morning.
11. We are actually thinking maybe leaving a little earlier tomorrow.
Okay.
But if this is necessary, we can stay the full time.
No. With the rights that I read to you, do you want to waive them and kind of tell me what happened with this whole situation?
Yeah.
Okay. You had a voice upstairs, so let's talk.
No,
okay.
no, sorry. No, I just woke up. No, so I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have a place to live.
Right.
My lease was at my apartment. I was supposed to move in with a friend of mine. It didn't work out. So I've been staying at Airbnbs by the day.
How'd you afford this one?
It's $100 a night.
Okay.
So
So this one you were able to afford?
yeah, it's $100. For the week, it's like $800, $900.
Okay. So you stayed for one night, right?
Well,
You paid for one night originally.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And when did you check in?
Yesterday.
Okay.
But I've been here
Right.
like the week before and the week before that,
Right.
and so I've been working. It's been really slow. I haven't really
What do you do for work?
made anything. I bartend.
Okay.
So bartend, I model and stuff like that. And it's been really slow, and I don't have anyone helping me at all.
So what happened the other night? The other day?
The other day.
Yeah.
So when I came in, I saw the bag and then I thought about it. I went up and then I said, okay, maybe I should get it and hold it till the morning. But then I got it, I went upstairs and then I didn't know who I would give it to. I don't know if there's an officer or anything here. So normally, like, I wouldn't do anything at all.
Right.
So I brought it up and it had some money in it.
It had a lot of money in it, right?
A lot.
It had a good amount of money in it.
Do you know the thing?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so it was $1,000.
So when I went upstairs, you gave me some money that was in the room. That's not even $200.
I didn't grab all of it. Sorry,
Okay.
but
Did you spend any of the money that you took?
No, I spent any of it. But I was actually, before you got here, I was going to go to the bank and I was going to go try to extend the room one more day. So I was actually
Do you have? Okay, so
Now the officer is about to ask the question we've all been waiting for. Will she return the money?
the amount of money that you took out of that bag, are you able to return all the money?
I can return the money.
Well, the money that you have, but do you have all the money that was taken? Are you able to give them back 100% of the money that was taken?
Right now, you're saying?
Right
Or
now.
just,
Or is it just the money that you gave me?
no, I can give you more, is what I'm saying. I can give, sorry, that's what's in my.
Okay, so the money that you gave me, there's more upstairs?
Yeah, I didn't grab all of it. I didn't grab all of it. Like I said, I was just getting up to go to the bank. Are they still coming?
But you have no money in the bank, though. You said you don't have money.
No, I can still get more, is what I'm saying. I just said I don't. Sorry, I don't.
Did you know who the bag belonged to?
No, I don't know anyone here.
We learned this as a child, right? We don't take what's not ours. We don't steal. This is kindergarten lessons that we.
You're right. And I would never do it.
Okay. How much? So, like I said, you gave me, I think, a little less than $200 over there.
I probably didn't grab all from upstairs.
Are you able to give back all the money that was taken from that bag?
Yes, I can give it.
Now, you have the money upstairs that would account for 100% of the money taken.
I worked yesterday, so like I had it today. I did some.
Let me talk to somebody.
The officer doesn't seem to be buying her story, but it's ultimately up to the victims to decide if they want to proceed with pressing charges or not. The officer now goes back to the victims and lets them know where they're at with the situation.
She said she can get it if she goes to the bank, but again,
You don't know. I get your point.
I told her, I said, if you have it here, then maybe something can be arranged and they'll be willing to go on their way.
Yeah.
But she's like, well, I have some here, but I don't have it all, but I can get it at the bank, so I can't play those
She
games.
confessed the whole thing.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
thank God.
thank God.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Is there anything else that you want to add to your statement?
I will give it back.
What was that?
I'm just scared because right now.
Yeah, so this is a lot to...
No, because right now I have a dog upstairs with my stuff.
I understand.
I'm sorry. I'm just
Look,
scared.
one thing at a time, okay?
She's traveling back on Monday.
On Monday, yeah. And I arrived Venezuela at like 7 p.m. So
Okay.
I
Well,
will
they'll
travel all
yeah.
day, yeah.
A
But
lot
you
of...
can reach me out. You
Okay.
can reach out to me.
Yes.
That's a phone number of mine. I live
Okay.
here. Forwarding
Okay.
to my address as well.
It's all in the... I read the
Yeah.
report,
Oh,
so that's
okay,
why I was
so-
able to get information of what we're dealing with. Okay.
you very much.
No problem. No
Appreciate it,
problem.
officer.
While sitting in the back of the police car, the officers offered the woman some words of advice and encouragement. That's the kind of thing that sets good cops apart from those just there for a paycheck. Sometimes a few honest words can do more to turn someone's life around than a jail cell ever could.
I worked today, and I said I could give it back, but she said
Yeah, I spoke to the victims there. We really spoke to them too. They don't want their...
Listen, this is just... This sucks. But listen, honestly, you should have done from going, and you know that.
And you're right. I know.
Everyone hits the wall every now and then where you're just like, what do I do in this situation?
You're right.
But there's ways to fix it, and this isn't one of them, obviously. All right?
But I was discussing it with them pretty thoroughly about the options. But they're international travelers. Yeah, and they don't know you. They don't trust you.
This forces you to pay them back at some point. All right? I know you're going to.
I promise I will.
But, yeah, I'm sure. Listen, when it comes to your dog's gonna be taken care of, all right? Animal care and control comes get your dog.
They're not taking your dog
They're
away.
not taking your dog from you.
We're dog people, 100%. Believe us. We're not
I've
gonna.
got dogs, I've got cats. I wouldn't call animal care and control if it was something different. You won't be able to take care of your dog, and we're not going to go back in your apartment and walk your dog every few hours. Okay, we can't do it. Even if we wanted to, we couldn't. All right? They'll take your dog.
They'll hold on to your dog.
Once you get released, whether it be today or tomorrow, which is easily possible for both.
How does that work? I don't know. How does that work? How would it be? I don't have...
They'll take care of it. All right? They'll work something out with you. All right? Whether it be you have to work to pay it off. All right? They're not going to confiscate your dog and take your dog. That's not what they do. They're not going to put your dog to sleep, but you got to communicate with them. You got to say, listen, it's my dog. I love that dog. I want to keep that dog.
And the dog looks very well cared for. We're not questioning your lack to take care of him.
It's not like a stray animal.
But for right now, you're not going to be able to take care of him since you're being arrested. So that's why we want to make sure the dog is well cared for. can recommend, obviously the situation is what it is right now. I did put in the paperwork that you were willing to reimburse them the money. However, you were unable to give them at the time of our contact. That might be something that you want to bring up, that you're willing and able to reimburse them, and you will do so quickly. So that might be something you want to address to them and let them know. I did put it in there. If you had the money here, they even said if you had the money and there was no time lapse between, but they don't know you, I don't know you, I've never met you, I can't vouch for you, neither can they. So that's just something to bring up. If you're able to get the money, tell them, listen, I can get the money, you know. And there's cameras everywhere in that place. They're not even hidden. They were right there in your face, those cameras.
Yes, sir.
They even have the big TV screen in there that shows you you're on camera.
She was eventually charged with grand theft. Let me know your thoughts on this arrest in the comments below, and remember to keep it respectful. Everyone is innocent until proven guilty. At the end of the day, we all make mistakes and learn from them. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. I'm always on the lookout for the best, never-before-seen police body cam footage. I also left 2 videos here that I know for a fact you guys are gonna like. Thank me later.